ló sọ pé kò fọ̀kẹ́? OPP ó pọ̀ pa, OPG ó pọ̀ gan.
United just a minute into the second half. A goal from Hamza Mohammed separated. Number 3 jersey, Hamza Sharif. Ismail Ibrahim with a 17 jersey. Alanya Abdullahi with 6 jersey. Adiola Nifemi. Chance here for Hammola. Oh my goodness me, how on earth did he miss that? Best moment of Hammola in this game. How on earth did he miss sees Alavi Kabir. Chance once again, and the goalkeeper having much more confidence to approach the defense line of the Niger Tornadoes. Now once again Kabiru! My goodness me, what a save! Chance now for Niger Tornadoes for the first time in this game. He's still in the danger area. Now a chance to shoot himself! Should have done better than that. He was free to strike. It's headed away. Not the fast one there from Aweye, but he's still in control of the ball. This is Aweye. Wonderfully moved. He strikes the goal himself. Now he can swing the ball forward. He strikes it himself. By his own teammate. Swings the ball to the left angle. 3 players waiting for the cross. Well done, Joe! It's well utilized. I said it all before now. And this time around it's Sharif. I'm on a continent. Inexperience and experience matters. Swings the ball to the left angle. 3 players waiting for the cross. Well done, Joe! It's well utilized. I said it all before now. And this time around it's Sharif. I'm gonna pull the ball out of the back of the net. Now once again, Tornadoes can attack. Inside for the second goal. They're trying to add to the tally. Swings the ball. It's a challenge once again. And the flag is up. The captain is injured, Gani Umaru. They can launch the ball forward. The goalkeeper is off his line. Very much contented with his. It's a lovely pass once again. Can they just have the breakthrough from here? Chance now for Hammola FC. What exactly is he thinking? Right now, in the danger area of the Hammola FC. Sliding, this is the goal scorer for yesterday's game. Hamza Mohammed. The bicycle kick, wasn't it? It's a short throw. Hamza Mohammed. Swings the cross in. It's a chance to make it two. We're not locating it perfectly well. This is the newly introduced player, Gani Wasiu, looking for support of his own teammate. It's a chance for Hammola FC. My goodness. Joining the attack from the delivery. The set piece is okay. Big swing, and it's another weak one. He's even disappointed in himself. Make the ball still in their own half. Ismail Ibrahim. Can they just get the goal from there? Penalty. It's given. And the referee has won. In this game, if it's called, it's a well-deserved one. Oh my goodness me! Oh, back. I'm gonna see this game. If it's called, it's a world have won. Oh my goodness me! Oh,